streamlining your cleaning route, or your routing of cleaners, however you want to phrase that.
Yeah.
So the idea here is that
Districting, right?
Districting, sure. Zones. When we first started, we had one cleaning team. They obviously did everything. That was horribly inefficient because you got a customer that was 45 minutes away from another, and they were just like ding, ding, ding. They were ping pong balling all over the city, using a bunch of gas. And more importantly, you're paying 3 people to sit in a car and drive for 45 minutes. It's probably really good for them. They get a little bit of a break. Bad for us as an efficiency standpoint.
Right.
So once we got to a certain size, we had enough customer density. You take your map of your city, your zip code, whatever, split that up into little quadrants, zones, and then assign a team. Team 1, you work here. Team 2, you work here. And you don't take any customers outside of that zone. And that just makes it, you're trying to trim that drive time between jobs from 30, 40 minutes down to like 5 would be ideal.
And this is how we went from doing 3 or 4 houses a day to doing like 5 houses a day. And
Yes.
it's just a lot more profitable. That's
That was
what it's
huge.
all
That was growing the business 20% without buying any more cars, without hiring anyone else. It was just a tweak in the back. And so those, by eliminating those 45-minute drive times, that got you enough time at the end of the day to add another paying customer.
Yeah.